history for the stock market and possibly your 401k. Today, the Dow topped 40,000 for the first time ever. It comes during a record run for stocks, with the Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P 500 all closing at new all-time highs. Our business correspondent, Alexis Christoforous, has been tracking it. This is a big deal.
It is a big deal. I think it's a feel-good number. You know, it's more of a symbolic meaning than anything else. It doesn't have a practical reasoning for investors. I think 40,000 is one of these nice big round numbers that people can sort of wrap their heads around. As you can see, we pulled back from that milestone a little bit right now. But overall, positive news for the market and for investors at large, for retirement accounts. The Dow makes up 30 companies that largely reflect what's going on in our economy today. Companies like Walmart and Apple are part of the Dow. So the fact that it was able to rally to this milestone and is now really double its lowest point that we saw early in the pandemic, I think just speaks to the resilience of the economy, especially in this environment of high interest rates, higher inflation. And remember all the talk of a possible recession that we had not that long ago. The fact that the market can pull off this kind of a performance is a big deal. And it also comes a day after the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ, all three major indexes, hit record highs.
So, as we said, all the market averages continue to hit an all-time high. Why do you think that is?
Well, it's a number of things. I think first off, we got cooler than expected inflation numbers yesterday. We've been waiting for this now for about 4 months. That helped reignite hopes that the Fed might cut interest rates later this year. Some are now saying possibly September. We also got a much weaker than expected retail sales report for April, which shows that consumers may be pulling back. So all of those higher interest rates are doing what the Fed wants, starting to cool the economy down and bring consumer prices lower as well. And Walmart, big rally there for the company today, out with much better than expected earnings. Walmart actually said there are so many bargain hunters now that its core base of consumers is widening. And now it has more people who earn more than $100,000 a year shopping at its stores because they, too, are hunting for bargains amid this environment of higher inflation, Kara.
Who doesn't love a bargain?
That's right.
Alexis, thank you.